Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So Sony is now unveiled the Xperia 1 Mark II with a 12 gigabytes of RAM in limited edition frosted black color. Currently, if you want to buy Sony Xperia 1 Mark II in Japan, you have to go through carrier Docomo or AU. But that will change on October 30 as Sony is preparing to launch SIM-free version. You might be interested in this launch even if you are not in Japan, as this phone will have 12 gigabytes of RAM. You can only buy 8 gigs of model right now in Japan and elsewhere. Also, the carrier phones had only 128 gigabytes of storage, while this SIM free one will match the global model with 256 gigabytes. It's not clear if the 12 gigabytes of version will be available abroad, however, which is shame since it will be available in limited edition frosted black with a matte finish as opposite to the glossy finish of the current color option. Two more color are planet white and purple. RAM and paint job aside, the new Xperia 1 Mark II version XQ8042 will be identical to the current phone, so no 8S865 plus upgrade or anything. The price is set the Japanese currency JPY 124,000 and you can pre-order one today. It's long wait until the end of October, but those faucet units may not last that long. Sony will also release a dual SIM free version of the old Xperia 1 and Xperia 5. These will again have doubled the storage of the domestic model, which had 64 gigabytes. However, RAM remains at 6 gigabytes. Pre-order of these are already underway and they are ready to ship on the 28th. One will cost Japanese yen 79,000 and will be available in black and purple. The 5 will be available in Japanese yen 69,000 and will come in a black and gray and blue and red 4 colors. So this is the latest update about the Sony Xperia 1 Mark II, which is a really great smartphone. But if you want to buy this smartphone is one of the great professional camera. So let me know in the comment section, and please like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.